So here's a look at this pull-up bar. Now this is a super simple pull-up bar. It's not going to have a bunch of adjustability or anything like that. It's just going to be your plain, easy to put up pull-up bar. Now it's just going to attach over here on the back end. Let me go ahead and show you. You can see that it just mounts right there. It's plastic up here at the top, but the rest of this is all going to be made out of metal, which is great because this is going to be up to 400-pound weight capacity. Now it's going to have foam all right here, which, like I said, you could use this part for push-ups. You can do your wide grip pull-ups, and then over here you can do your normal inner grip pull-ups with the front. You can do your backhand pull-ups, and then you also have these, which I love these because these are a lot more easy on your wrist instead of doing the wider one. Now everybody's different, so you can play around with the different grips on here, but it's great. It's got a 400-pound capacity. So if you're looking for a very simple pull-up bar, something that you could just throw up or leave up on one of your door frames, then I would definitely recommend this one.